Hey, what's up guys? It's Flexx and welcome back. So a few weeks ago, I did a garage update video where I told you guys I already sold the 2013 white C300, and then I still had my black C250, which I didn't really know what I wanted to do with it yet. Well, a few weeks ago, I sold the car, and unfortunately, it's no longer gonna be on the channel. But the good thing was I took a lot of parts off those cars, which I wanna give to you guys today. And this is a big thank you for supporting me for the past 2.5 years. I'm almost up to 40,000 subscribers and over 6 million views on my videos. So I'm really happy, and I couldn't do it without you guys. And it's actually not one giveaway, it's actually 3 giveaways, and it's all ran by myself. It's not by YouTube, it's not by my sponsors. It's just for me giving it to you guys to say a big thank you. So let me show you what I'm giving away, and then I'll talk about the rules. I'll talk about how you can enter, and then I'll talk about when I'm gonna announce the winners. So giveaway number 1 is gonna be a Megan Racing strut bar and a Tornado Tuning pedal tune. And these 2 items will fit any W204, C204 C-Class from 2008 to 2015. So it could be a C250, a C300, a C350, coupe, or sedan. Giveaway number 2 is going to be a brand new AMG diffuser and a Tornado Tuning pedal tune. And these 2 items will fit any Mercedes W204, C204 from 2012 to 2015 with a sport rear bumper. So it could be a C250, a C300, or a C350 coupe or sedan. And lastly, giveaway number 3, it's a lot of stuff. We're talking about a Tornado Tuning pedal tune, a Tornado Tuning turbo muffler delete, a Tornado Tuning 4-channel tune box, a Tornado Tuning air intake kit, and lastly a Tornado Tuning boost controller. 5 items. But these items will only fit a 2012 to 2015 W204 C204 C-Class, which is a C250. So those are the giveaways. The cool thing is I have a video on how to install and use every single one of those products, and I'll go ahead and link those videos in the description below. But now let's get to the rules. 1, you have to be 18 years or older and a US resident. Unfortunately, I can't do a global giveaway because there's a lot of rules and regulations and also shipping fees. That's just gonna make things very tough for me. So I decided to keep it mainly in the US. Number 2, you could only enter into one of the 3 giveaways. And I'm doing this just so it's a fair opportunity for anyone to be able to get one of the 3 giveaways. Also, there's a few more rules related to the giveaways. Make sure you read about it in the description below. So how do you enter the giveaway? Really easy. In the comment section below, all you have to do is write, I want giveaway 1, I want giveaway 2, or I want giveaway 3. And that's it. And you have until May 8th at midnight Eastern Standard Time to put your entry in the comment section below. And then the following day on May 9th, that Saturday, I'm gonna randomly pick the 3 winners, and I'm gonna announce them in the comment section below. I'm gonna write a comment that I'm gonna pin to the top of the section. So make sure you go back to this video in about a week to see if you're a winner, because you're gonna have to respond if you wanna collect your prize. Well, there you have it. I hope you guys like the giveaways. It really means a lot to me that you guys supported me all this time, and it's about time I give back to you guys. So best of luck to everyone who's entering into the contest. Hopefully you guys are a winner, and you guys will see it next Saturday. Until then, I hope you guys like this video. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.